How to download Minecraft on iPhone. If you want to download the Minecraft game on your iOS, then follow these steps. The Minecraft iOS version is available on App Store, so you can just download Minecraft from App Store. Open App Store on your device and go to the search section from the bottom panel. Tap on the search bar on the top and search for Minecraft. Sometimes, if you only search for Minecraft, then it might not appear on App Store. In this case, you will need to go back to the search bar and type in Minecraft Play with Friends. When you type in Minecraft Play with Friends, then the official game will appear. To play this game, you will need to purchase it. Right now, it has been placed on App Store with a price of $8. After you purchase it, then only you will be able to install it and play it on your iPhone. So this is how you can install and play Minecraft on your iPhone using App Store. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.